Creating a third party. The Third Parties module allows you to manage your customers, prospects, suppliers or partners. Some pre-filled lists are available to list prospects, customers and vendors. Note that a third party can appear in several of these lists. Let's look at how to create a third party. Provide a name and an alias. Note that this is usually the name of the business entity. You can add multiple people under the third party when you add contacts in the next step. Choose whether the third party is a prospect, customer or vendor. Provide the address, contact details and social media handles. Choose the type and legal entity type. Upload a logo if required. A customer or vendor code can be automatically or manually assigned for each new third party, like the accounting accounts if the module double party accounting is used. Note that your third parties can also be easily imported using the import module. Third parties module features. Once the third party is created, you can navigate to the Contacts tab to add people who are representatives of the third party, or an alternative address like another delivery address or the address of an accounting department. You can attach files such as documents and photos under the Linked Files menu. If the module Notification by Email has been enabled, then in the Notifications tab, you can define people who must receive email notifications for specific Dolibar events. If duplicate entities have been created for a third party, use the Merge button to merge the entries. The tab Payment Information can be used to enter bank information or electronic payment ID of your customers. The Events or Agenda tab will give you a complete list of all past and upcoming events related to the third party, such as creation, update, invoicing, email sent, phone calls, planned meetings, etc. More tabs and buttons will be added on the third-party view, providing more features like those provided by the modules Commercial Proposal, Orders and Invoice. Additional information about these features is available in the relevant video tutorials of these modules. The Contacts list view shows all the contacts. The list view is separated into list of prospects, customers, vendors and others. Tags and grouping. You can create tags in order to group third parties. Tags may be anything you want for grouping your customers, such as sales region, type of customer, their importance, such as VIPs, etc. Clicking on a tag will show you the third parties associated with it. To associate tags with a third party, navigate to the third party record and click on Modify. Input the tag names in the appropriate field. Third parties are one of the most important data of your company. If they are well qualified, it will be easy to use them with other modules to make your commercial proposals, orders, invoices, marketing emails, or to export them into CSV or Excel sheets with the module export.